Hey guys, my name is Flaming Unicorn and today I'm playing Feed the Beast. And right now I'm creating a new world and something just happened. I don't know what, but doesn't matter. And I think we should call this Unicorn World. Yes. Game mode survival. Yes, I put those on, but will not use the cheats. Create a new world. And this is the first episode of my Feed the Beast series, and if we get 2 likes, I will continue this series. Okay. And the world is loading here. If it just wants to load. Okay. The chunks load a little bit. Back to game. And it's lagging really badly right now. Maybe if I change this to normal, maybe now it's better, I think. Yeah, and then I think I would minimap options, map shape. Yeah, this is good. Next, okay, and we're getting started. I think I have. Yeah, I have not enough items. Okay. And then let's make it recipe mode so I can't take anything. As you see, I just see the crafting recipes. And we are getting the achievements. And I'm not sure what mods do I have installed, or what does this mod pack contain. So oh, silly me. And I have my crafting bench. Let's see, what do we have here? An ocean, some squids, and let's make the normal things that we usually do. Okay. Yeah, and let's make an axe 2 now. And what? Okay, let's make it normal. So we are not complete. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Dum 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 dum. Cutting some wood. Okay. And now let's go mining. And can I mine this with wooden pickaxe? No, I can't. So getting my stone here and found some. What the heck? Okay, this hurts you. Good to know. Dun 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 dun. I'm singing random things right now. So as I mentioned, this is just the first episode. I'm getting started here. Let's put this in there so I can get some light. And this episode is not it's not going to be so long. I think just about 10 minutes. So we are in... How long have I recorded now? Let's see. About 5 minutes, I think. Okay, and I can't mine this with... Well, fuck this. Now I can't get away. Silly me again. Let's put our crafting bench right here. And make some stone tools. Okay. Stone pickaxe would be nice. Like so. Can we mine this with stone pickaxe? Yes, we can. And we got dark. Well, that's hard to. I forgot the word. Hard to, well, pronounce. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. And we found some iron. Yeah, baby. And I think... Oh, this is uranium. We can't just mine it yet. But this is an important thing for us because it's these shards that you need to make Thaumacrist scepters, I think. Yeah. Okay, getting my iron here. Surprisingly, I haven't found any coal yet. I found iron, but not coal. But that's a kind of good thing, I think. Okay. And making a furnace. Like so. And well, I think we can use these wooden planks to smelt the iron. Okay, and I think I saw... Yeah, I saw... Right, there's a cave in here. But I don't have any torches. And maybe I should... Yeah, that's bright already. Here's some light coming from that thing. And there's zombies, iron, and a huge ravine. And maybe we'll wait for the iron to smelt or whatever the word is, and then go into the ravine. Lags, random thing just happened there. Yeah, getting my iron pickaxe here, and yeah. Okay, the uranium. Okay, that's so. And then, yeah, let's go into ravine. I don't have a sword yet. And this is running back and forth. Well, yeah, let's make an iron sword when we have the iron. And we need a couple of wooden planks. Let's like so. And one stick. That, and now we have our sword. I have my sword. I can kill some zombies. So I can defeat the zombies if I want to. And I can mine this with maybe this. Yeah. And this is aluminum. Well, that's not so important as you might think. Yeah, this waterfall helps me so much. Some more uranium. Oh fuck! Mini heart attack. It's a fucking random creeper. Fuck you. And these are, yeah, sapphires. Oh, whatever you pronounce them. And then I think I want to get the iron that's up there. And I think I'll end the first episode here. And if you like this episode, remember to leave a like and comment and even subscribe. And if we get 2 likes, I will continue this series. And I'm the Flaming Unicorn. Bye bye.